Are you ready for DJI's next big move? The DJI Neo 2 has just been leaked, and it's already being called one of the most exciting compact drones of 2025. With a rumored 1-inch sensor for professional-grade footage, up to 40 minutes of flight time, smarter AI tracking, and an all-new design that's lighter yet more powerful, this drone could redefine what's possible in a portable package. And the best part? It might be priced right between the Mini 4 Pro and the Mavic Air 3, making it a serious game-changer. Today, we're breaking down the biggest leaks, official specs, and the expected release date of the DJI Neo 2. So stick around, because this is a drone you simply can't ignore. The DJI Neo 2 is shaping up to be one of the most talked-about drones of 2025, and the leaks surrounding this compact yet powerful machine are already sending shockwaves through the drone community. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. DJI has always been at the forefront of drone innovation, and the original Neo surprised many with its ability to pack advanced features into a smaller, more approachable form factor. Now, with the arrival of the Neo 2 on the horizon, enthusiasts and professionals alike are asking the same question. How much further can DJI push the boundaries of miniaturized drone technology without sacrificing performance? According to the latest information, the Neo may be the most impressive balance of portability and power that DJI has ever created. And for anyone interested in aerial photography or filmmaking, this is the upgrade you simply cannot ignore. When DJI released the first Neo, it instantly found an audience that wanted more than what the Mini series could provide, but didn't necessarily need the full complexity and price tag of the Mavic line. It was light enough to travel anywhere, easy to fly even for beginners, but still had enough performance to satisfy hobbyists and semi-professionals. The Neo 2 looks set to refine this winning formula by addressing the shortcomings of its predecessor while adding next-generation features that make it stand out not only as an evolution but as a potential category-defining product. From new camera technology to smarter AI flight systems and better connectivity, the leak suggests that DJI is preparing something very special for its launch later this year. One of the biggest rumored upgrades for the DJI Neo 2 is its camera system. The original Neo already provided a capable sensor for casual aerial shots, but reports indicate that the Neo 2 could feature a larger 1-inch CMOS sensor, putting it on par with some of DJI's more advanced drones. This would mean sharper detail, better low-light performance, and dynamic range that makes professional-grade footage possible in a drone that can still fit into a small backpack. For creators who want cinematic aerial shots without carrying bulky gear, this upgrade alone could make the Neo 2 an instant success. In addition, there are whispers of support for 5.4K video at 60 frames per second, with higher bitrate recording to allow for professional editing flexibility. Flight performance is also expected to see major improvements. The Neo 2 could extend its flight time up to 40 minutes on a single charge, thanks to a more efficient motor and optimized battery design. This would put it ahead of many competitors in the compact drone market, giving pilots the freedom to capture more content per flight without constantly worrying about landing for a recharge. Combine that with improved obstacle avoidance sensors covering all directions and an upgraded version of DJI's OcuSync transmission system, possibly O4, that delivers ultra-stable 4K live feeds at longer ranges, and you can see why this drone has already captured so much attention before it has even been announced. Another aspect where the Neo 2 is expected to shine is smart automation. DJI has been heavily investing in AI-powered flight features, and the Neo 2 could introduce an enhanced subject